Hi friends, today I'm just showing you A-Tion A-Tion monocular telescope. You can see that this is good for the boating, sports, bird watching and everything. And here I'm just opening the box. So this is a thank you card. A-Tion. Details are here. And this comes with a small little tripod. So this is nice, like you can use this tripod and if you want to just have a steady focus on something. And the other accessories, this is a mobile holder. You can see its use like little later on. We can adjust actually the height. We can see its use, and this is, I think, is the mobile case for the camera, and this is the holder and one cleaning cloth. This is the manual. I feel a little because this manual is actually in Chinese and there was no English translation, so I think it will be good to have an English translation, but just to mention it to you. And this is the actual monocular telescope. So this comes in a protective case, you can hold and carry, and then I'm just taking out from the poly. So you can see this is a very high heavy duty telescope, and I can feel actually the weight. So there is like two protective cases on the both lenses, and this is of rubber. You can see this protective case, like you can rubber flexible and can be easily used and cover. The lens is pretty much clean and clear. This is the other piece here, and then it comes off. So this is all flexible and rubber material. Now let me see, like if I can show you, this is to adjust the focus. This is the HD focus here, and you can see all this resolution, and I will just try to show you first the quality, and then I will try to adjust it and see the stuff if I can show it through the cellular, the mobile, because I'm trying to adjust it through my mobile camera to see like if I can actually use it, and I can show it to you. It looks little difficult for me to do it, but I'm still trying to adjust it. You can see a little bit of this focus from this camera, the clarity, because this is just outside my home. When I'm just seeing the the trees and the bushes, that you can see that it can be seen. Let me see like if I can adjust it more thoroughly in my further adjustment. But for now you can see that you can clearly see the bushes and the trunk, and here you can put it on the tripod, and there is an adjustment. I will show you how to fix it later on, but then you can just put it on your tripod. It can be adjusted and stable if you want to use it like from a distance, a little stable component. And then now I will just show you how to adjust for the mobile. So as I mentioned, this is actually two pieces that can fit with each other by just rotating on it, and you can see that this will cover up, and now this round piece will actually go on the monocular telescope, and you can put your mobile here in this. Now you can see it, right? So this is through that mobile camera, and you can take the photo and you can shoot the video. So after this I can actually now show you that I just take this part out, and you can arrange and adjust this part. Just put it on the camera like this, and then here is your mobile, and the mobile camera will go actually on the monocular lens side. You can adjust it the height. So after doing all this, yeah, you can just adjust it. Now here is like the tripod, so I will show you how to get this tripod. So you can see that the tripod setting, like you can adjust. And now just take this, rotate it, take it out. It's pretty straightforward. And now there is a small hook like this, you can put it back, and in this hook you can actually hand strap. So you can actually add the strap there to hand it. So this is the hand strap. That means that can go inside this, and you can just add for the hand strap thing. So the protect casing and everything is all look good. A nice monocular fun telescope.